Okay, so today I'm going to do a unboxing and mounting of the VacuumRack Duo and show you what is in the box. So here is everything you need for 2 bikes. It comes with the rear wheel mounts already ready for use, and there's the manual for how to mount it and what to do and what not to do. The base is an easy one for two bikes, and there are some cups to mount to it. Okay, the cover comes off, and so the first thing we need to do is take everything out of the box. And here are all the screws that we will need. Comes nicely in a bag. So first thing I'm going to do is to place the cups over the cutouts for the vacuum cups. So they are going like this. Taking the recessed screws to mount these. And here I will make sure that the cup is fitting nicely in the cutout, so then the cup will not move or spin around. So then I will repeat the process on the remaining 3 cups. And this is only something that needs to be done the first time that you're mounting the set. Takes only a few minutes, and then it's ready for use. Like this, and the last one. Then I will take out the fork mounts. Something that's really nice about the fork mount is that you can choose which position that you want to have the rack in. So you can either have it like, for example, like this, and for the second bike you can choose if you want it to be the same way. You can tilt it in the holes so it has a little bit of an angle to where the steering wheel of the bike will be. You can position it backwards, and also if you have a heavier e-bike that you want to carry, it's actually also a center position mounting for e-bike if you want to use only one bike, or alternatively as a 3-bike setup with smaller road bikes. So for this I will go with one standard facing forward and the other one facing backwards. Then I only need to attach the nuts underneath. Oops. Like this. Then you take the tool to tighten it. Then the rack comes standard with a quick release attachment for the fork of the bicycle. This is usually the most standard way to attach the bike, and most bikes use the quick release system. So once it's attached like this, you put the fork into the fork mount and tighten a little bit, and that's it, you're ready to go. I will show you as an alternative. We also have a adapter kit. So if your bike uses like a true axle system for the bikes, then we have this nice adapter kit. So it comes with a range of adapters from 9, 12, 15 and 20 times 100 millimeters, and we also have the 15 and 20 by 110 millimeter. So that will cover all of your bike types. So to attach this, you only have to take off the spacers. They are attached with the plugs are attached with some O-rings, so they are held nicely in place. So let's say you have a 15 by 100 bike. You take out the adapters from the box, put on a couple of O-rings that are in the box, and put it into the fork mount. Now your bike rack is ready for the true axle bolt. And what's nice about this adapter kit is there are space for the adapters that you don't need, and also for the quick release mount, so you have a place to store it when it's not in use. Okay, so that's it for mounting. Everything is ready, and just grab it and put it on the car. Thanks.